Let us try to save the value. Okay, we already have that. So if we go and try to save this, we have title, description, short description, and same we will have over here. We have title, description, short description. So how we will differentiate between a edit and at the time of saving, how we can differentiate that whether it's a edit and it's a create form. We will create a over here. We will create a hidden with. Okay. So now what happens? Now what happens when we save the value? We have the id. So in the edit form we have id. In create form we don't have id. And we can use this for saving. So but I will come to that later on how we will close the functionality of blog, edit and save. And we have to create one more functionality, public function delete with delete $id. So I'll come to that later, but prior to that, let us discuss one more important thing, which is form validation. Okay, so Laravel form request, we'll use this to validate our forms. And why a separate container? Why a separate form request? Because a responsibility of a controller is to only take request and return response. For form validation, we already have form request, and for generating form request, we just have to write if partition make request form request, request maybe form request. Let us make it blog form request. Yeah, okay, let us run it. In request we have okay, and we can take sample from here that we have rules. Okay, and how does this rules work? We have to put the name of the column in which the rules needs to be defined, and then we can define the rules in this way. And say for example it's required, then we can put it like this. If its minimum is like 10 characters, we can do it like this. If max is 200 characters, we can do it like this. Okay. Similarly, we can have description and short description. So let us make short description and description. Okay. Now, how to use this? So for using this, we have to import it using app HTTP request. We have to app HTTP request, then and instead of normal request we have to okay. Now if I submit a blank form, We have a typo. Q U E S T. ठीक है. Have a typo. Yeah. So and Q U E S T. Form spelling mistake. ठीक है. अच्छा, फॉर्म रिक्वेस्ट में रिटर्न ट्रू. ठीक है. बट ये दूसरा है फॉर्म रिक्वेस्ट. अच्छा हाँ सॉरी. ये कहीं पे है पे शिफ्ट. नहीं नहीं कंट्रोल में मैंने कहा कंट्रोल में चेंज किया तो क्वेस्ट. ठीक है. अब हम जो भी सबमिट करें इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू माय फॉर्म. हाँ जैसे सिंटैक्स कॉपी कर लिया. लेट अस पुट दिस इनसाइड आर एचटीएमएल कोड. ठीक है. एंड दिस विल बी ये अपना हो गया टाइटल का. हाँ तो हम लोग को एक डॉलर एरर ऑब्जेक्ट मिल जाता है. लेट अस टेस्ट इट. ठीक है. टाइटल इज. ठीक है. सेम थिंग कॉपी पेस्ट करो. ठीक है. टाइटल हो गया. यहाँ पे मैंने शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन. ये आपका मैच करना चाहिए. सेव करो. Even not in this form as we are using the same form, so in the edit form also, if I remove this and try to save it, or if I go see min max. We can even use unique. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.